everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a skincare product haul. So you guys see me use Shea Moisture for hair care for a long time now. I've used a lot of different hair products, a lot of the different lines, and I absolutely love them. Some lines like the avocado greens line, one of my top favorite lines so far for Shea Moisture. So I have tried a couple of their hair care products, absolutely love them. So I went to the store and noticed they were having some coupons and discounts, and I thought, why not try some of their skincare product as well? So I'm going to show you guys a few things that I bought. So guys, let's get started. Now whenever I buy skincare products guys, I know they have like the whole line for you to choose, this one, that one, and they have the products that goes together. But I actually just buy the things that I know I need and things I am going to use. So I'm going to show you guys everything I bought. So there's a couple that I've actually bought already. They're rebuys. So I'm going to show you guys the ones I've bought, have been using first, and the new ones that I bought I haven't used yet. So the rebuy for me, there's 3 products guys that I bought already. So the first one was this, the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask, and this is for blemish prone skin. I've gotten this clay mask 3 times now. I love this clay mask. You guys see me use it on my face on my YouTube channel. I like the Aztec clay mask, but this I don't have to do anything. It's already put together for me. So whenever I know I need to do a quick mask, definitely helps so much with cleaning out my pores and helping my skin. I just grab it, put it on, it's cooling, 10-15 minutes, your mask is done. You go ahead, and this lasts you so long. Typically when I buy this, it'll last me between like 2 to 3 months. That's because I use this about 2 times a week, so not too much, but you definitely don't want to overuse this. But this is 3rd time rebuy. Absolutely love this mask. If you guys are looking for a clay mask to buy, this Shea Moisture Clay Mud Mask is the one to go and get. Now the next rebuy guys was this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Hand and Body Scrub. I was never like a big person on body scrub, but until I got this one. I would make sometime my own body scrub, but with me being so busy guys, I decided, let me try a body scrub at the store. So let me get it from a company I know, Shea Moisture. The first thing I noticed about this body scrub is how amazing it smells guys. It just smells so good, and it takes over your bathroom. So I love it. Whenever I'm doing a body scrub, I usually would do this about 2-3 times a week, scrub down, and your skin feels so nice, and it is so moisturizing. This is for dull skin. Definitely, I have really dry and dull skin, so I need to make sure I'm scrubbing and moisturizing. Once you go ahead and scrub with this, your skin feels so nice and soft out of the shower, and then you moisturize it, it just soaks up that moisture right away. So I need that and love the result I get from this. Is my 2nd one because I don't use this enough again, and this is 12 ounce, so it does last me quite a bit of time. So between me using it about 3 times a week, it lasts me a good time, and I absolutely love this. Now the next rebuy guys was this 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydrating overnight facial oil. So I always thought my face couldn't take any type of coconut oil. Every time I use regular coconut oil on it, it just breaks out. I used to be so envious of people. I see them on YouTube all the time guys. My sister can do it, put coconut oil on her face, her body, nothing happens, just moisturize, clean up her skin. But me guys, the minute I put coconut oil on my face, break out. So I always thought guys, I just couldn't use coconut oil on my face. So I decided, when I had a coupon actually for this where I was getting it for $2, I decided, hey, why not get this and try it, because why not? So once I bought this, I was using it on my face. My face felt so nice. After I put on my moisturizer, did everything, my serum and everything, I will put this on top. I'll wake up, my face will stay hydrated. It feels soft, nice, ready. From just rinsing it first thing in the morning, your skin look amazing already. So absolutely love that. So these 3 rebuy, I bought them 3 times, bought this now, got this twice and this twice. So definitely rebuys. Now I'm going to show you guys some new things that I've gotten that I actually haven't used yet. So the first thing we're going for is, because again guys, I'm always working on my hyperpigmentation, getting my skin to clear up because I do get breakouts a lot. I bought their brightening days ahead gel cleanser, and as well as the day ahead moisturizer. So these 2, I got them just to help my skin brighten up, to help it clean up. And I don't use these every day again because they're brightening. This comes with papaya and vitamin C with use on lemon. If you buy any brightening, any lemon, citrus type of facial cleanser, toner, any of those stuff, I would not recommend using them every day. So this 3 times a week, 3 times, usually 4 times max, I would use them in a week, but not every day because it does make your skin really sensitive. Because I use brightening product for my hyperpigmentation, I do use sunscreen and shea butter on my skin, guys. I do not play when I go out. I cover it up. I live in Florida. I don't know how hot it gets where you guys live, but when it is sun out and it is summer, it is hot weather, you feel like the sun is cooking your skin when you're out for a period of time. So you need to protect it. Now, the next thing I got, guys, was these two. And if you remember this, the coconut virgin line, because I love this oil so much, I went ahead, I got their foaming daily cleanser, and this is to soften and restore skin. So I really loved it. I got it. And this also is their soften and restore skin daily facial hydration face or lotion. So with these two, I thought they'd be great. If you guys have seen on my Instagram, I've gotten a lot of the soaps before, so I'm used to using the soaps. I've bought all the different types they've had actually, and I truly love the coconut soap. It is definitely for softening and restoring your skin. I notice whenever I use it, the body soap, my body feels really nice and soft. Again, the hydration, love how much it helps with that. So I decided to get the foam cleanser and the lotion as well. By the way, I thought it was so weird. When I went to the store, I thought these were open and they were missing the top, but at all the stores, I actually went to a couple of stores before I got these. Both of these, they came like this. So I thought that, hey, what happened to the top that covers this? Hey, it doesn't come with one. So all the stores that I've been to, it doesn't come with one. So I figured that's how it is. To be honest, I don't think I've looked at them on the site. I just went to the store and got them. They were brand new. They were like not going down when you push them. Make sure that they're not going down, and just to make sure that they are locked, that they weren't used before, anything like that. But that's how they come. Now, the next thing I got, again, moisturizer. I'm trying to keep my skin, guys, just as moisturized as it can get to keep it hydrated, keep it looking nice and plump. So, I got 2 different ones. This is from the African Black soap line. So, I love the mask, the mud mask. So, I figured I would get this because the reason I got this, it has bamboo charcoal hydrating jelly moisturizer with aloe, guys. This is why I got this. I can't wait to try this and just put it on my skin. The ingredients sounds really good, just all good stuff, and I'm definitely gonna be using this for my skin. Most likely gonna be using this at night to really get it moisturizing. And again, this is for blemish prone skin. That's why I got it, to help clean up everything. Now the other thing I got was this raw Shea Moisture Butter Hydrating Moisturizer with frankincense and oil, because this is for dry skin. I notice my face is combination skin, so it's not like one thing all the time. So one of the things I notice is sometimes my face, it will get really dry around the cheek areas. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to use this whenever I notice my face is going on more of the dry side, especially in the winter, get really dry skin. So I can't wait. I'm most likely going to be waiting winter time to use this guy to help with my skin. Now the last was these 2 products actually. So I got these because this has Manuka honey and yogurt in it, guys. So the first one is this Manuka honey and yogurt glow getter nourishing cleanser with vitamin C, and I can't wait to try this. Now this is gonna be one of my things that I use when I'm doing my little spa day weekend because of all the goodness that's in here, as well as this is the Glow Better honey mask. So guys, this looks like honey. It just looks like a jar of honey. I was excited about that, and it's very watery like honey. Like it has the same honey texture in it. I cannot wait to try these on the weekend. I'm gonna be using these for my spa day weekend. Between my clay mask, body scrub, and this honey pair will be used together. But this, of course, I use it a couple of times out of the week. Now these are all the things I got, guys. I did want to show you, this is everything in here. I put it in a little basket so I can show you guys everything. I went and got these at the store. One thing I do want to point out, guys, is if you're just looking at this from the regular price at the store, it does get expensive. Like you're going from $8, $10, $10, $12. It adds up real quick. So one of the cool things you guys can do is, one, I go to Walgreens and Target to get a lot of these things. Unless they're on sale somewhere else, these are the two stores I would go to, because at Walgreens, they sometimes are having crazy stuff. So I've paid $4 to $5 for this mask at Walgreens. And another way for you to find discounts at Walgreens is they have the Walgreens app, guys. Download that app. You'll see the ad they have on there. Sometimes they have buy one get one free, or buy one get one 50% off. And another way to get great price is Target Circle, guys. I'm gonna mention this all the time when I show you guys products that I buy. Click on that app, download it. You will get coupons from Target Circle as well as Ibotta, guys. These 3 different little apps, they will save you so much money whenever you go buy something. Instead of spending about $50 to $100 when I go to the store, usually on average I'll spend about $20, $25 at the most. And again, I don't buy these all the time. This is just a haul. Whenever they have sales, I'll go and buy these. And sometimes, guys, I'll buy different things when they're on the clearance racks and they just add up, so I'll have a stack of them. Don't go crazy, guys, blowing up your money. Get those discounts, get those sales. This is my Shea Moisture haul, my little products. Show you guys a couple that I bought before. Definitely, if you're looking for a body scrub, I recommend this Hibiscus body scrub. It works miracles on your skin, as well as do the oil. It's amazing, as well as this clay mask. These are the 3 little products that I do recommend. I'm gonna do reviews for all of these once I start using them, to tell you guys how they are, if they're good products, not good products, tell you guys how they work. But so far I haven't been disappointed yet, so I'm waiting for even better results. So if you guys have any other lines that you use, anything that you like, any product that helps, especially product that helps with keeping your skin from breaking out, guys, hyperpigmentation skincare, please leave those comments down below, because I need them as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. So give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you haven't already. Helps my channel out a lot. I do want to say, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you know when I have new videos out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below for us to read and go over and watch my last video.